Hi friends, welcome back to the channel iQOO. In this I'm going to do the ad benchmark test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone, Realme X2 Pro, and second is iQOO Z5 device, and third is the Realme X1 Max device. In this test, I'll try to use the high performance mode in both Realme smartphones, and I'll try to use the monster mode in the iQOO Z5 as well. Let's see, using this kind of high performance mode and the monster mode, what can be the high temperatures of all the three smartphones can actually reach, and what will be the overall benchmark wise as well. So Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and Snapdragon 778G chipset and versus Dimensity 1200 smartphone. So let's see how much difference we're going to expect between all of these three smartphones. So first, let me need to go to the settings option in this Realme X2 Pro and the Realme X1 Max device. Let's go to the battery option. Battery performance mode, high performance mode is selected. That's also perfectly done, as you can see friends. So successfully selected with the high performance mode, everything, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management as well. Everything is completely clear, and monster mode is also turned on in the iQOO Z5. That's perfect, right? Let me to enable the annual benchmark test. So right now, as you can see friends, the annual benchmark test is going on between all of these three smartphones. Now you will be able to see the temperatures, how it is between all of these three smartphones. Slightly 32 degrees, but both phones are exactly 30 degrees, the iQOO Z5 and the Realme X1 Max. So I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what is going on between all of these three devices regarding the temperatures wise, what is happening. So I'm going to be back after some time. So as you can see friends, right now we're getting close to end of the test results as well. And the temperatures of 35.4 degrees and 33.6 degrees and 36 degrees Celsius, 33 and 35.8. So the both Snapdragon 855 Plus and the Dimensity 1200 are slightly kind of higher in terms of the temperatures wise, and these two phones like right now finishing the benchmark slightly kind of faster than the Realme X2 Pro as well. In case if you look, you will be able to definitely understand 96%, and Realme X2 Pro is taking slightly its own time. Let's see what's going to happen with the results and how much difference it will be there. So regarding the CPU and the GPU comparison side by side. So in this way, you'll be able to get to know all the results. So finally friends, the Realme X1 Max did finish the test, which got about 6,70,000, 5,60,000. You can see there is a difference of close to 1,10,000 difference is there. So between these both phones, so 5,60,000. And I'm just trying to use the maximum settings friends, monster mode and high performance mode. Only then we'll be able to get the maximum results out of this process. That's the reason I'm trying to use highest settings as possible. Next Pro did finish, and which we got 5,73,000. Finally we got the benchmark results, and we got the temperatures 36 degrees and 33 degrees Celsius and 35.8 degrees Celsius. You can clearly see friends the temperatures how much low in the iQOO Z5 it maintained. With this Snapdragon 778G processor, only 31 degrees is the highest recorded, 34.5 is the highest in the 34.5, 31 degrees Celsius and 34.7. So all these two processors did slightly kind of increase higher temperatures, but you can take a look at the CPU. So 1,51,000, 1,64 and 1,71, slightly higher in the Dimensity 1200, but still Snapdragon 778G processor was able to give really good CPU scores. But GPU, you can take a look, is really close. The Adreno 640 and Adreno Mali G77 in the Realme X1 Max is really close, and Adreno 642L, which has got slightly less than the Adreno 640. So that's friends, thank you for watching this quick comparison between all of these three smartphones regarding the annual benchmark test. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.